Jai students, this is Murli Padigar from SKCBSE UKD. Today let us go to the syllabus. Art Education syllabus 2020 and 21 syllabus. We are going on to focus on the CBSE board syllabus 8, 9, 10, 10th. Art Education syllabus for the classes 8, 9, 10, 10th. These classes we are going on to focus on the syllabus. First, let us go to the first topic, that is Tree and Design. Tree and Design. Second one, Still Life. In this still life, you can draw fruits, vegetables, any model you can draw. And go to nature. In this, we can study flowers, scenery, nature, our surrounding. Nature we can study. Then go to memory drawing. In this, you can draw like a playing boy, like a playing girl, like this memory drawings. Imagination drawing. We'll focus on this. And next topic we will go to design. Any design. Tree and design, ceiling design, like door design, window design. Many types of designs we will study in this topic. Next topic, go to paper coding. Paper coding work like bird, animal, fish. Paper model we can study in this. We will show you the step by step. We will go. Next is line work. Line work. Last bit I shown you the Basveshwara portrait of line work. In this, many types of like a flowers, like a scenery, many types line work I am going on to give you. And next I will go to dot drawing. Dot drawing. You will buy one black sketch pen or black pen. We will go to the dots. With the dots you have to complete the work. If any flower or any things, pot like a pen, flower, along with the dots you have to complete the drawing. In that dot drawing, no any line, no any color, only dots. Next topic we will go to geometrical design. Geometrical design. Paper cutting work like cutting the flowers, preparing the flowers, or purple cuttings. Many types of paper cuttings. In this will become this paper cutting work. And spray painting. Spray painting, you have to take one waste paper, any design, any flower, anything you can cut, and step by step you can spray. Then go to Watercolor painting. This is traditional painting work. Traditional painting work. Many types. I am going on to below the watercolor painting. Watercolor painting. Next we will go to mosaic painting. Mosaic painting, like this is one type of technique work. You will get air cleaner cotton. Will get. Along that cotton you can take any color, and on the work you have to do thumbs. Anything you can use. Or triangle etching, you have to draw small triangles and you have to color. Small circles you have to draw and color. I will show you this technique mosaic. Next go to glass painting. Glass painting, whenever you will get time, maybe this drawing I will teach you on September or October month. Whenever you get time, you will buy the glass colors. 6 colors you will get in markets. You buy and keep it ready. In this box you will get one black liner and 4 colors you will get. Glass colors. These whenever you will get time, you buy and you be ready. Then go to letterings drawing. Lettering drawings already you know how to write capital letters. Now I am going to you many styles of letterings. I am going on to introduce you. Next we will go to craft models like thermocol model, like a guitar, like a cardboard model, like a flower pot, like a newspapers, paper bowl, something like a pen stand. Craft work will prepare. Next go to portrait drawing. Anybody's portrait means eyes, nose, lips, ear, head study. Then go to calligraphy art. How I written with this, like this you have to write calligraphy writings. I am going on to introduce you. These are your whole year syllabus. One by one we will go to you buy a drawing book and be ready. One by one I am going on to give the topics. Whenever I will give, you draw and ready your drawing and be ready your works. Along to syllabus you have to keep ready your books. Whenever we will call you, you have to bring the books to correction. Okay, tomorrow onwards one by one we will start the questions. Let us see the topics. You write on your book. If you want, you can write on your book and be ready. Buy these all the materials, needed materials. Buy and be ready. Okay, bye. Jai Hind.